Welcome to the SEVIS training for sponsor officials. This training is designed to facilitate your understanding of SEVIS in regards to the administration, maintenance, and management of the J1 program information at your organization and your exchange visitor and spouse dependent records. In this presentation, we will discuss how to authorize student employment and academic training for college university students. We will also demonstrate the matriculation function for college university students. We will then talk about alternating between the professor and research scholar categories and creating an out-of-country record for professors and research scholars. Disclaimer: this presentation provides guidance for using SEVIS. It does not replace the Exchange Visitor Program regulations found in 22 CFR Part 62. To obtain administrative guidance on the Exchange Visitor Program, the Exchange Visitor Program regulations, or program or exchange visitor issues and concerns, contact the Department of State's Office of Private Sector Exchange Designation. Now we will look at the process used to authorize college university students for employment. From the Exchange Visitor Information page, select the Add Student Employment link. You will then be prompted to fill in information about the employment the exchange visitor will participate in. The employment type options are assistantship, fellowship, off-campus, on-premises, and scholarship. Remarks are required only for off-campus employment. When the fields are complete, click the Add Student Employment button. The employment will appear on the Student Employment History screen, and the exchange visitor is now authorized to work. Now we will talk about how to authorize a college university student for academic training. From the Exchange Visitor Information page, select the Add Student Academic Training link. This will bring you to a screen where you will be prompted to input information about the academic training, including supervisor name and contact information, site of training name and address, training begin and end dates, and training objectives. Once you have completed all required fields, you may click the Add Student Academic Training button. You will receive confirmation that the update has been successful. You may then print the Form DS 2019 that will show the academic training. On the Exchange Visitors and Dependents menu page, you will have the option to view a list of all your exchange visitors who are authorized for either student employment or academic training. If you wish to document any changes in either student employment or academic training, you must return to the Exchange Visitor Information page. From this page, select the Student Academic Training History link or the Student Employment History link to access the page where the changes can be made. From the Academic Training or Student Employment History page, you may click the Cancel or Update link. Now we will look at matriculating a college university student to a higher degree level. On the Exchange Visitor Information screen, you will see a link for matriculation. Selecting the matriculation link will take you to the matriculation page. In our case, this student is a bachelor's student. Therefore, she is eligible to matriculate to either master's or doctorate level degree programs. Once you select the level to which the student will matriculate, you may input the new program end date and then click the Matriculate button. The matriculation is now complete. Here you will see a list of changes of level permitted. Exchange visitors may only matriculate to higher degree levels. For example, student bachelors can matriculate up to student master's or doctorate, but may not matriculate to student associates. Now we will talk about the function to alternate an exchange visitor's category between professor and research scholar. On the exchange visitor information page, you can see that our sample exchange visitor is currently in the professor category. You may wish to change the exchange visitor's category to research scholar to better reflect their activity at a given point in time. To do so, select the link on the top left for alternate between professor and research scholar. This will take you to the alternate between professor and research scholar screen. Complete the required and relevant fields and click the Submit button. Keep in mind that when alternating between professor and research scholar, the exchange visitor's program dates do not change. You will then be taken back to the exchange visitor information page. You will notice that our exchange visitors category is now research scholar. Now we will discuss how to document instances of a professor or research scholar continuing to participate in their exchange visitor program activity while outside the United States. On the exchange visitor information page, select the Create Out of Country link. You will then be taken to the Create Out of Country record screen, where you will be required to complete all fields. When the fields are complete, click the Submit Out of Country button. The Out of Country record has now been created. Links will now display on the exchange visitor information page, giving you the option to cancel or to update the Out of Country information should the exchange visitor's plans change. SEVIS will not allow you to create an out-of-country record in the following circumstances. If an out-of-country record, current or future, already exists for the exchange visitor, if the exchange visitor's record contains information about a forthcoming transfer, or if a request has been submitted to the Department of State for any of the following: change of category, extension beyond maximum duration of participation, or reinstatement. Thank you for watching. For additional videos about administering your exchange visitor program, please visit our website at j1visa.state.gov/SEVIS.